doing it without evidence of insurability. However, the insurer can evaluate you so that if you do have pre-existing conditions, two things could happen. Number one, you could get lesser benefits than what you had in the group plan. And number two, you could get rated up, paying a higher premium. Okay, so that is the conversion privilege, going to an individual plan without evidence of insurability within 31 days, but you could get rated up and get lesser benefits. Now, let's look at how that conversion privilege differs from COBRA. COBRA, which is the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act of 1985, that is federal legislation. Now, there's a lot of numbers here in COBRA that I need you to know. First, COBRA applies to employers with 20 or more employees to extend group health coverage to terminate employees and their families after a qualifying event. Qualifying events under COBRA are voluntary termination of employment for reasons other than gross misconduct, such as company downsizing, or employment status change from full-time to part-time. So those are the qualifying events under COBRA. For any of these qualifying events, the employee has 60 days to exercise their extension to COBRA, and then it must provide coverage for up to 18 months. Now, the maximum time period for COBRA is 36 months, but it is specific to death of the employee, and the family can stay on COBRA for up to 36 months. Divorce, then the old ex can stay on COBRA for up to 36 months. Or in states that actually have legal separation, the legally separated spouse can stay on COBRA for up to 36 months. Now remember, with COBRA, you are staying on the group plan. So the employer is going to be collecting the premium. The employer can only charge an extra 2% to cover administrative cost over whatever the total premium was before in the group plan. So let's take a look at that. Let's say you're the employee and you've been paying $250 a month for your health coverage brief. Or what you don't know is behind the scenes, your employer has been paying $750 a month, okay, for a total of $1,000 a month. You have a qualifying event. You want to get on COBRA. You get a letter from the insurance company that says, welcome to COBRA. Your new monthly premium